This is a 2019 International LT625 sleeper, and the left brake light is out. You'll have a possibility of two different styles. Some come with the plug looking like that for the body connector. Some of them are a straight 6, I believe, so just pay attention to which one you've got. And right and left are exactly the same. It's the wires that are different for right and left, so you don't have to worry about that with the light itself. What you do is you get a screwdriver and that red pin right there, press that in. Sorry, that's kind of hard to see, and then you squeeze in here and pull. On the back of the light, you're gonna have 3 nuts, and it's either an 11mm or 7/16. Both will fit. Go ahead and get all 3 of those off. You want to save all 3 of those nuts because the new lights never come with them. Wiggle that off. And if it is on the side with the license plate holder, and what you're going to want to do on the new one is put that on there in the exact same way, just like that. Then we line that back up and get that on there. Then once that's on, get all 3 of those nuts on there and get them hand tight. You don't want to get them too tight because that can actually break the plastic on the inside and they'll just turn around. Once the nuts are tight, get this back on, have that down, push that in, and then push the red piece up. Make sure it is snug. And then from the bottom, go ahead and push that red piece back up and that'll lock it. Now just give it a slight yank test. You don't want to yank too hard and then break it, but just a little bit of a tug and it's on. And that is how to replace that brake light, and either side will work just fine. I hope that helps somebody. Thank you for watching and have a safe driving day out there. Bye-bye.